Exit interview at the office.
Good morning, Lily. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Today is your exit interview before your final day.
Yes, that is correct.
Let's start with your overall experience at the company.
My experience has been very positive.
What did you enjoy most about working here?
I enjoyed working with my team. Everyone was friendly and supportive.
That is great to hear.
We worked well together on many projects.
Did you learn new skills during your time here?
Yes, I improved my communication and organization skills.
Excellent. What was your favorite project?
The Customer Service Improvement Project.
Why was it your favorite?
It was interesting and helped our customers.
What is the main reason you are leaving the company?
I received a new job opportunity.
Congratulations on your new position.
Thank you very much.
Was it a difficult decision?
Yes, I enjoyed working here, but the new role offers more career growth.
I understand.
I am grateful for everything I learned here.
Do you have any suggestions for improvement?
More training sessions and better communication between departments would help.
Thank you for that feedback.
I hope it is helpful.
It definitely is.
I am glad to hear that.
Did you feel supported by your manager?
Yes, my manager was very supportive, and I always felt comfortable asking questions.
That is wonderful.
I was lucky to work with a great team.
Would you consider returning in the future?
Maybe one day.
We would be happy to have you back.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Let's complete the departure process. Have you returned all company equipment?
Yes, I returned everything yesterday.
Have you transferred your work responsibilities?
Yes, I completed the handover process.
Excellent. Everything looks good.
I am happy to hear that.
On behalf of the company, thank you for your hard work.
Thank you for the opportunity.
We wish you success in your new job.
I appreciate that very much.
Is there anything else you would like to say before you leave?
Just thank you to everyone for their support and kindness.
I will share that message with the team.
Thank you.
We wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you. I will never forget my time here.
Goodbye and good luck.
Goodbye. At the Driving Test Center.
Good morning. I am here for my driving license test.
Good morning. Please come to the desk and give me your documents.
Yes, here is my ID card and application paper.
Thank you. I will check your documents now. Please wait.
I feel a little nervous today.
That is okay. Stay calm. You will do your best.
What should I do first?
First, we will check your eyesight and then go to the car.
This car looks very clean.
Yes, keep it clean and safe during the test.
Should I sit now?
Yes, sit in the driver's seat and adjust it.
I am adjusting the seat now.
Good. Now check your mirrors carefully.
Side mirror is okay.
Very good. Now wear your seatbelt.
Seatbelt is on.
Great. Now start the engine slowly.
I am starting the engine now.
Good. Keep both hands on the steering wheel.
My hands are shaking a little.
Don't worry, just breathe slowly and stay calm.
What is the next step?
Put the car in driving mode slowly and carefully.
Okay, I will move the car now.
Good. Drive very slowly at first.
I am moving forward carefully.
Perfect. Keep your eyes on the road at all times.
Should I use the indicator?
Yes, always use the indicator before turning.
I will turn right now.
Good. Check your mirrors before turning.
Everything is clear.
Very good. Keep going straight.
I am slowing down.
Good. Now stop the car near the line.
I stopped the car.
Nice. Now park the car properly and carefully.
I am trying to park carefully.
Good. Turn the steering slowly and control the speed.
Parking is done now.
Excellent. Now check all around the vehicle.
I will try reverse now.
Slowly, use your mirrors and stay focused.
I am going back slowly.
Very good. Keep control of the car.
I have stopped again.
Great. You are doing very well.
Am I passing the test?
Yes, you are very close to passing.
Engine is off.
Well done. You have completed your driving test successfully. Applying for a scholarship.
Good morning. I would like to apply for a scholarship.
Good morning. I can help you with that.
Thank you. I want support for my education.
Are you a current student?
Yes, I am studying at a university.
What is your field of study?
I am studying business management.
Have you applied for a scholarship before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. I will guide you through the process.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
That is normal. Do not worry. First, I need your student ID and academic records.
I brought them with me today.
Excellent. Let me take a look.
Here are my documents.
Your grades are very good.
I study hard every day. Am I eligible to apply?
Yes, you meet the academic requirement.
That is wonderful news.
I also need to check your financial information.
I have those papers too.
Great. Please give them to me.
Here they are.
Everything seems complete. Now you need to fill out this application form.
Is it difficult?
Not at all. The questions are simple.
Good. I will start now.
Please write clearly and carefully.
I will.
There is also a section about your goals.
Should I write about my future plans?
Yes, explain what you want to achieve after graduation.
I want to start my own business one day.
That is a strong goal.
Thank you.
How is the form going?
I am almost finished.
Please check your answers before submitting it.
Good idea. Okay, I have checked everything.
Excellent. Please give me the form.
Here you go.
Everything looks complete and correct.
Really? That is great.
Yes, you have done a good job.
Thank you for all your help.
The review process usually takes about 3 weeks.
Will I receive an email?
Yes, we will contact you by email.
That sounds good.
Please check your email regularly.
I will do that.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Using a public computer at a cyber cafe.
Good morning. I need to use a computer.
Good morning. Yes, we have available computers.
How do I start?
First, please register your name here.
Okay, I will write my name.
Thank you. Now choose a computer seat.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, that one is free.
Great. Do I need a password?
Yes, use this guest login password.
Thank you. It is my first time here.
No problem. I will help you.
What can I do on this computer?
You can browse the internet and check email.
That is helpful.
But please follow the rules.
What rules?
No downloading unsafe files.
Okay, I understand.
And please do not change settings.
I will be careful.
Good. Do you need internet for work or study?
Yes, I need it for job searching.
That is good. I can help you search.
Really? That would be great.
What job are you looking for?
I am looking for office work.
Okay, I will show you job websites.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The internet is a little slow.
Sometimes it is busy in the morning.
I understand.
Try opening this browser.
It is working now.
Good. Do you need email help?
Yes, I forgot my password.
No problem. We can reset it.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. That is my job.
Can I print a document?
Yes, send it to the printer.
I am not sure how.
I will show you step by step.
That is very helpful.
First, click Print, then select Printer.
Okay, I did it.
Now press Confirm.
It is printing now.
Great job.
This is easy with help.
Yes, it is.
How much do I need to pay?
It is per page.
I will pay before leaving.
Thank you for using our cyber cafe.
Thank you for your help.
Come again anytime.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Talking with a manager.
Good morning, Jackson. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
I wanted to talk about your work performance.
Sure, I'm happy to discuss it.
You have completed many tasks on time this month.
Thank you. I have been working hard.
I noticed that your reports are clear and organized.
I'm glad to hear that.
Your team members also speak positively about you.
That makes me very happy.
What project are you working on now?
I am working on the customer service project.
How is the project going?
It is going well. We are making good progress.
Have you faced any problems?
A few small problems, but nothing serious.
Sometimes we receive information late from other departments.
Yes, but I communicate with them and ask for updates.
That sounds like a good approach.
Thank you.
What are your goals for the next few months?
I want to improve my communication skills.
That is a great goal.
I also want to learn more about project management.
Excellent. We have some training programs available.
Really? That sounds helpful.
Yes, I can send you the details later.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything else you would like to discuss?
Yes, I would like to ask for a day off.
What day do you need?
I would like to take next Friday off.
May I ask the reason?
I have some personal matters to take care of.
Thank you for letting me know.
I wanted to inform you early.
I appreciate that.
I will complete my work before that day.
According to the policy, employees can request personal leave in advance.
That sounds good.
Next Friday is not a very busy day for the team.
That is great news.
Have you already informed your teammates?
Yes, I spoke with them this morning.
And are they able to cover your responsibilities?
Yes, we discussed everything.
Very good. You seem well prepared.
I tried my best.
Based on the information, I am happy to approve your request.
Really? Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I appreciate your support.
Just make sure all important tasks are completed first.
I will do that.
Also, send me a short leave request email today.
No problem. I will send it this afternoon.
Perfect.
Thank you again for approving my day off.
Keep up the good work.
I will. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.